Oh my gosh. Wow, is this gonna come off? I'm Ricardo, and I'm a brand designer at Pinterest.
My name is Amy, and I am a creative strategist at Pinterest.
What do you think we're going to be doing today?
I'm not sure.
What you will be doing today?
So this is alien makeup, it says.
I feel pretty comfortable with makeup. I'm actually a drag queen.
15 minutes on the clock.
15 minutes?
Okay.
That's not enough
All right.
time. It takes me 3 hours.
On your mark, get set, go!
Is this coming naturally to you, Ricardo?
I never cover my face with green paint ever, so
Okay. Oh god.
I don't know what I'm
Okay.
doing right now.
I'm going to an event later, so this will be funny.
Me too, actually. Hopefully I don't have a tint of green.
I'm gonna not take off my makeup when I go on the street. People are gonna be like, whoa! She's
what do I
crazy!
Ricardo, do you have any advice for Amy?
Highlight your natural features instead of like drawing new things on top of it. Should I be a beauty influencer?
Oh, I kind of look like Charles Manson.
Wow, this
right
stuff
now.
does not blend at all. I thought it was gonna blend. It more look like I just have a bruise on my face.
Honestly, my mom would be proud. She never really taught me how to put on makeup, but like, I'd say it's not bad.
Are we looking into each other's third eye?
Oh my god! What's the
Spots.
criteria for judging?
We're gonna walk outside and everyone's gonna judge us.
Okay.
Four, three, two, one. Makeup down, makeup down.
You're so good!
Thank you. Yours too. No, I think I did a pretty decent job for 15 minutes.
I think it looks like I have an eye infection.